see you. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good day, sir and madam. My name is Jean Saparita, 30 years old. I am married with 2 kids. My higher education is high school graduate. I have work experience as a district helper here in the Philippines for 5 years. I've served 1 couple and 2 kids.
Hello, Jean. How are you today?
I'm fine, ma'am.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to earn higher salary to send my children in higher education. I also want to give financial support to my family.
So may we know your main duty from your previous employer?
I take care of the child. I clean the house, cook food, shop food, do the laundry, iron clothes, and assist all the family members in their needs.
So what will you do if the children are not in the house?
I have to extend my patience to the naughty children as a mature adult. I will give my heart dealing with them so that I can take care of them unconditionally. I will treat them as my own child so that I can give them tender loving care.
So what will you do if the child is using profanity with you or with his peers?
I will tell to the kids that profanity is a bad behavior. They cannot make friends if they will use profanity. A good child will only use good words to win their friends.
So what will you do if the child don't like to go to school?
I will tell to the children that going to school is fun because all of us needs to go to school to prepare for their future. Give them treats after school by preparing their favorite foods.
So if you are crossing in the street and if you are with a kid, how will you assist the kid?
Priority the safety of the child by holding its hands and always let him stay in the safe side of the road. Do not leave them unattended.
So since you are a mother, you have experience taking care of newborn baby, right?
Yes, sir.
So may we know how will you going to bat the baby?
I will prepare all the things that we need in bathing, like the water, soap, towel, and tub. I will start from the head down to toe and immediately pat dry the baby and put their clothes on.
Okay, so how will you know if the baby is sick?
The baby will not drink the milk, always crying, irritable, teary eyes, sucking, fontanelle, and temperature is higher than 37 Celsius.
Okay, so do you have any last message for your future employer?
Sir and madam, give me a chance to work in your family. I love to take care of children. Teach them to draw, sing, song, teach them in doing good things, right manner, good behavior, and I am skilled in doing household works efficiently.
Thank you very much, Jean, and I hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Thank you.